My name is Sabellah Fitri.
I will write the date of the first meeting, and there is some material that I added research from Wikipedia about computers. What is a computer? A computer is a machine that accepts data as input, processes that data using programs, and outputs the processed data as information. Many computers can store and retrieve information using hard drives. Computers can be connected together to form networks, allowing connected computers to communicate with each other. Computers can come in different shapes and sizes, depending on the brand and model. The first use of the word computer was recorded in 1613, referring to a person who carried out calculation or computation. And the word continued with the same meaning until the middle of the 12th century. A computer is a general-purpose device that can be programmed to carry out a finite set of arithmetic or logical operations. Such a sequence of operations can be readily changed. The computer can solve more than one kind of problem. Also, we can say an electronic device that stores, retrieves, and processes data, and can be programmed with instructions. A computer is composed of hardware and software and can exist in a variety of sizes and configurations. Types of computers. 1. Mini and mainframe. Computers, very powerful, used by large organizations such as banks to control the entire business operation, very expensive. 2. Personal computers, cheap and easy to use, often used as standalone computers or in a network, may be connected to large mainframe computers within big companies. Characteristics of computers. 1. The true principal characteristics of a computer are it responds to a specific instruction set in a well-defined manner, and it can execute a pre-recorded list of instructions called a program. There are 4 main processing steps in a computer: inputting, storage, outputting, and processing. Number 2. Modern computers can do billions of calculations in a second. Being able to calculate many times per second allows modern computers to multitask, which means they can do many different tasks at the same time. Computers do many different jobs where automation is useful. Some examples are controlling traffic, like vehicle security systems, washing machines, and digital television. Number 3. Computers can be designed to do almost anything with information. Computers are used to control large and small machines, which in the past were controlled by humans. Most people have used a personal computer in their home or at work. They are used for things such as calculation, listening to music, reading an article, writing, etc. Hardware of computers. Modern computers are electronic computer hardware. They do mathematical, arithmetic, very quickly, but computers do not really think. They only follow the instruction in their software programs. The software uses the hardware when the user gives it instruction and gives usable output. Controls of computer. Computers are controlled with user interface input device, which include keyboards, computer mice, buttons, and touch screen. Programs of computers. Computers programs are designed or written by computer programmers. A few programmers write programs in the computers of language called machine code. Most programs are written using a programming language like C, C++, Java. These programming languages are more like the language with which one talks and writes every day. The compiler converts the user instruction into binary code, machine code that the computer will understand and do what is needed. Program of computers. Computer programs are designed or written by computer programmers. A few programmers write programs in the computer's own language, called machine code. Most programs are written using a programming language like C, C++, Java. These programming languages are more like the language with which one talks and writes every day. The compiler converts the user's instruction into binary code, machine code, that the computer will understand and do what is needed. Thank you and sorry for my bad English speech.